No matter the time of year, the idea of delicious outdoor cookouts is always appealing. It's the perfect opportunity to improve your grilling skills with a top-notch charcoal grill. While a charcoal grill might seem simpler than a gas grill, it can deliver equally amazing flavors. Charcoal grills are usually less expensive than gas grills, making them a great choice if you're watching your budget or just starting out with grilling. They're also simpler to set up. To get started with charcoal grilling, all you need is a lighter, some charcoal, and your favorite foods. Soon you'll be enjoying a meal full of authentic smoky taste. We've tested the best charcoal grills from cart style to kettle style, some packed with features and others more basic, using chicken, ribs, and steak to see which ones are the best for your next outdoor barbecue. As always, you can check the pricing of any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. Now let's get started. Number 6. CharGriller 1515 Patio Pro. The CharGriller Patio Pro Charcoal Grill is an affordable option that gets the job done, despite some drawbacks. With a 250 square inch cooking surface, it fits up to 6 burgers but struggles with larger gatherings. The barrel design with a hinged lid makes it tricky to access and flip your food, and the lid's limited opening sends smoke directly at you when grilling with it open. Although the idea of a side door for coal access sounds good, the door tends to overheat and jam, making it difficult to adjust the coals for different cooking techniques. Overall, it might be worth investing a bit more for a smoother and more enjoyable grilling experience. Number 5. Charbroiled True Infrared Kettleman Charcoal Grill. Infrared grills offer significant benefits, such as fuel efficiency, uniform heat distribution, and the ability to reach high temperatures for perfect sears. The Charbroiled True Infrared Kettleman Grill excels in these areas, and it's priced attractively too. This grill heats up quickly, allowing for an excellent sear on steaks, chicken legs, and pork chops with hardly any flare-ups. Its 360 square inch cooking area provides consistent heat, and the large lid vent can be easily adjusted to control the cooking temperature. Features like the adjustable charcoal grate offer flexibility in cooking methods, and the accurate thermometer in the lid is a handy tool. However, there's a learning curve to mastering this grill, especially in arranging charcoals for extended smoking sessions, since adding more mid-cook is challenging. Also, the bottom vent must remain open, which takes some getting used to. We recommend getting familiar with the unique features of this infrared grill before hosting a big event. Number 4. Royal Gourmet 24-inch Charcoal BBQ Grill. The Royal Gourmet Grill is versatile, allowing you to spread out burgers and brats across its spacious grates. A standout feature is the adjustable charcoal pan that can be lowered to move the heat away from the food. Perfect for slowly smoking a rack of baby back ribs without the risk of flare-ups. Be prepared to use a hefty amount of briquettes, as the grill requires frequent refueling. Luckily, a convenient door enables easy charcoal addition, and there's a handy shelf beneath the grill for storing extra charcoal. This grill distinguishes itself from traditional kettle-style grills with side tables for your grilling accessories and dishes. It also features a lid thermometer for a basic temperature gauge and a warming rack useful for keeping food warm and toasting buns. A large, easily accessible ashtray at the front simplifies cleanup. Number 3. SNS Grill Slow and Sear Original Kettle Grill. This model stands out as the top choice for a charcoal grill for several reasons. It's reasonably priced, user-friendly, and delivers excellent results for both grilling and smoking. It's an ideal pick for both beginners wanting to enhance their grilling skills and seasoned grillers looking for an efficient, no-fuss option. Our tests showed the grill maintains a steady temperature, minimizing the need to adjust the dampers frequently. Adjusting them is straightforward thanks to the innovative rotating vents on both the top and bottom, which open and close with a simple left-to-right motion. An intuitive feature includes 2 X marks to indicate closed vents and O mark for open vents. The grill is equipped with a sturdy shelf capable of holding up to 20 pounds and a convenient lid cradle for storing the lid when it's not in use. The cooking grate includes a hinged section for easy coal management. For those who require precise temperature monitoring, there's a built-in thermometer and a dedicated port for a probe thermometer. As a smoker, the grill excels, featuring a removable coal insert for indirect cooking and enough space for a water pan. The results? Glossy, deeply caramelized ribs with sticky BBQ sauce and tender, moist meat. Cleaning is straightforward, with a manual that guides you through the process, though it lacks specific instructions for removing the ash bucket. We found it a bit challenging to remove the charcoal grate with remaining coals, opting to dump them into the grill's basin and clear the residue through the bottom vent. Overall, this grill offers a blend of performance, ease of use, and thoughtful features, making it a standout choice for anyone passionate about charcoal grilling and smoking. Number 2. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill 22-inch. This grill is perfect for beginners, thanks to its automatic propane start, eliminating the need for a chimney starter. Assembly might require an extra pair of hands, as we noted it was somewhat cumbersome, but once set up, the grill is sturdy and reliable. It's equipped with 4 wheels that lock into place, making it easy to move around your outdoor space. Performance-wise, this grill excels, especially noted by a reviewer for producing beautiful grill marks on steaks thanks to the Maillard reaction. When used as a smoker, it does go through wood quickly, but keeping an eye on it ensures a steady and accurate temperature. While this grill comes at a premium compared to basic models, the extra investment is justified by its large size and convenient prep space. Beginners will particularly appreciate features like the propane starter for ease of use. Cleaning is straightforward, featuring a push-button system to dispose of ashes into a receptacle below. The grill's simplicity, with non-adjustable coal and cooking grates, adds to its appeal as an uncomplicated yet high-performing option for grilling enthusiasts. Number 1. Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill. The 22-inch Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill continues to honor the renowned legacy of Weber grills, a testament to nearly 70 years of quality. The iconic kettle design has remained largely unchanged, a clear sign of its enduring success and popularity. In our tests, the Weber Premium stood out for its unparalleled ease in temperature control. Adjusting the vents resulted in precise changes to the internal heat, a crucial aspect for charcoal grilling mastery. Our tests with hamburger and chicken highlighted the grill's ability to achieve perfect medium-rare burgers and juicy seared chicken, outperforming other grills that either overcooked or undercooked the meat. This premium model, available in 3 colors, maintains the classic 22-inch width and introduces several enhancements. Notably, it features Weber's one-touch cleaning system, which simplifies cleanup with a large ash pan. Additionally, it includes a handy built-in thermometer and a lid hook for convenience. Based on our experience, the Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill not only delivers flawless cooking performance, but also offers valuable upgrades, making it our top choice among charcoal grills. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive rundown of the best charcoal grills to ignite your backyard barbecues. From the solid and budget-friendly options to the premier picks that elevate your grilling game. Whether you're flipping burgers for a small gathering or slow smoking ribs for a feast, there's a grill here for every chef and occasion. At number 6, the CharGriller Patio Pro provides affordability and functionality, making it a decent entry-level choice, despite its limitations in space and heat control. Number 5. The Charbroil True Infrared Kettleman introduces you to the benefits of infrared grilling with even heat distribution and efficient fuel use, though it comes with a bit of a learning curve. The Royal Gourmet 24-inch grill. At number 4, it offers versatility and convenience with its adjustable heat source and ample prep space, perfect for a variety of cooking needs. Taking the 3rd spot, the SNS Grill's Slow and Sear Original Kettle Grill impresses with its user-friendly design, consistent temperature control, and dual function as both a grill and smoker, delivering succulent and perfect seared results. Number 2. The Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill stands out for its beginner-friendly features like an automatic propane start and easy cleaning, combined with high performance that's worth the extra investment. And topping our list at number 1, the Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill exemplifies grilling excellence with its classic design, unmatched temperature control, and thoughtful features for a hassle-free cleanup, making it our top pick for charcoal grilling enthusiasts. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and special offers on these grills. Happy grilling, and remember, the right grill not only makes your food taste better, but also turns cooking into a joyous occasion to share with friends and family. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome reviews. Until next time, keep those flames high and the smoke rolling.